How to remove the original background of your video and replace it with an artificial beautiful background using TikTok application. Now, if you have recorded your video in an awkward background and you want to make it look professional by replacing the original background with an artificial beautiful background using TikTok application, then don't skip this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this in a second without wasting much of your time.
Open your TikTok application. The next thing which you need to do is to generate the artificial background which you will be using on that very original video, and to search out for that background, click on this mirror-like object at the top right end of the screen this way, and it will appear like this. Just go ahead and search for any kind of background which you want. Okay, going by library, just go ahead and type a library background this way. Once you have it searched, it will pop up to this interface. Kindly click on this very photos, and this list of options will pop out. Going by the first one, just kindly click on it this way. You can straight away screenshot and crop out the particular portion you want to use, but if you want to have this downloaded straight to your gallery, click on this very arrow. Now it will pop up this way. Click on download, and list of options will pop out this way. Just kindly select as many background as you want to test out for your video, but since I'm only going to use one background, having one selected this way, click on download. This background has automatically been downloaded to my gallery. Now I want you to understand that you can use any image generating tools or AI or app to generate any background color of your choice. Having done with background generation, let's return back to our TikTok main interface to continue with the video editing. Having got to this place, click on this plus icon at the bottom center of your screen, and it will open you to this very interface. Straight away, click the gallery icon, and it will open you to your gallery straight away. The first thing which you need to do at this point is to highlight the video that you want to work on, and once it appears this way, click on next button. Now allow it to process. Now go ahead and click on this icon here, and once it appears this way, this is what you do. Highlight the video by touching this bar for the video to be highlighted, and search for cutout. Click on it this way and click on auto cutout. Allow it to process to 100%. Now once you are done with that, click on this check mark button. The next thing is for you to search out for background. Once you are done searching it out, which is very close to cutout, click on it this way. It will still open you to your gallery from where you can select that very background which you have generated or downloaded. Now let's select it this way. Automatically it will replace the old background of the video. But if you look at this very video now, you will realize that the background color does not tally with the color of the image. If you want to blend the color of the presenter to tally with the color of the background, this is what you will do. Having the videos highlighted, just search out for adjust, click on it, and use the list of these options here to blend the color so that both of them will match. Once you are done with that, click on this icon. Now for us to continue, I want to first of all play the video. Remember, I have muted the video. Okay, so you can now see that what you are seeing is artificial beautiful background instead of the original background. Now once you are done with all the editing, kindly click on this very arrow here, and then click on add description. Add your description and hashtag, and return down to this bottom and click on post. But if you want the video to be saved after posting it on your TikTok, okay, if you want it to be saved on your phone, this is what you do. Click on these more options. Now scroll up and toggle on this button, this save to device. Toggle it on this way. Once you have the video posted on your TikTok, the video will as well be saved to your phone gallery automatically.